Hementopus, hementopus. Very interesting word. Very lovely word. Love the word. Protect the word. Very interesting word. Nature is all in all. Nature is all in all. Love the unity of the world. Love the unity of the world. Love the unity of the world. And see the development of economy of the world. Think the development of economy of the world. Do not struggle with one another. Do not struggle with one another. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. One cattle egret is watching the prey. One cattle egret is watching the prey. One painted stork also watching the prey. And one red stilt clearly visible. One painted stork is clearly visible. Very interesting. Red stilt taking the prey, is taking the prey, and painted stork is taking the prey. Very clearly visible. Red stilt, hementopus, clearly visible. Head, lateral side brown, dorsal side also. Lateral side brown, brown near the eyes also. Ventral side brown, neck brown, very interesting. Love the nature, protect the nature. Legs are red, two legs are red, very interesting. Love the nature, protect the nature. Hementopus, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, जो हृदय नहीं वह पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं वह पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. लव द यूनिटी ऑफ भारत. Love the unity of Bharat. Do not struggle for chair. Do not create struggle for chair. See the unity of Bharat. See the unity of Bharat. We are loving all cultures of the world. We are loving all cultures of the world. We Bharati people should love all the cultures of the world. Bharati people should give the honor to the all cultures of the world. All cultures are excellent. All religions are excellent. Bharati people should give the honor to all cultures of the world. Hementopus, red stilt, red legs, neck brown, lateral side brown, eye side brown, head brown, head brown, head brown, head brown, only black patch on one side, black patch on one side. One has no black patch, eyes are brown.